In this video, I want to show you guys the difference between these two. So this is the Dream L60 Ultra PE, and then this is the Dream L50 Ultra. I don't know if there's any letters after that, but in essence, L50 versus the L60. They essentially look pretty much alike. There's really not much of a difference. When you do a side-by-side, this one might be just a hair bit taller. It's so minute that you can't really tell, but that's what it appears to be. The large difference that my wife actually pointed out is that the actual LiDAR base, it appears to be larger. So when you go right here versus right there, it's definitely beefier. And then I don't know if it is, but these appear to be microphones, and that one doesn't have it. So even if it's not, you do have these 3 holes where this one doesn't. This one has a microphone right here, or at least that's what it looks like. This one doesn't. So it looks like they repositioned that to the top of this, and this kind of like feels like it can shift a little bit. This one, same exact thing. You have your 3 buttons right here. 3 buttons. It feels like silicone rubber, which is the same. And then you have your sensors right here on the side. Let's go see. So this is the left side. Oh, wow. There's already a large difference between this. Let me remove this. So you have your grill right here. Same thing right here. But look at this. Look how much larger that is compared to that. That is crazy. That is a large difference. Let's go to the back. So the back, you still have your contact. You still have your connectors that inserts water, drain on there. And then charges. You have your porthole right here that sucks all of the dustbin that's inside here. So let's go to the other side. So far those sides appears to be the same. This side also appears to be the same. Let me turn it around. So we have them upside down. These are magnetic, just like that. So super easy. You can just remove it right there. Just looking at this, same thing, you have your swivel mop pad right there, so it pulls out to get the edges. I love that a lot. Same thing with the actual sweeper, broom or brush. It pops out to get the edges. I like that a lot. You have your edge LEDs right here that lets you know if it gets to the edge, it won't fall. Same thing, but they actually look different. So you see that? They're a lot more bulbous. See, let me zoom in versus right here. That's interesting. You have this appears to be the same. The brush appears to be roughly. This, for whatever reason, looks a little larger than that, but they look very, very similar. And then here is where it's able to actually kind of climb up certain things. This one, the actuations are different. You see that? So that one versus this, where this lifts up the whole thing. The back, you have your rear wheel right here. That's pretty much it. Like you could definitely, and then here the edges right here, that you have also other edge contacts. So the interesting thing is with the L60, you have these contacts everywhere versus on the L50, you only get it on the sides, but not the fronts. That is interesting. And that's it, guys. Like that is pretty much it. Like the base, when you look at the base, I'm sure it's going to be the same. I don't really see a noticeable difference. This is going to be your waste. You have your clean water right here. So that appears to be the same. Let me pull this out. And then you have your detergent right here, which I already filled. And then you have your dust bag right here. I actually shifted the extra towards the front, so that way it doesn't really block it. But it's going to be the same with this one. So you still have your dirty water, your clean water, and then same right here. You have your detergent and then your waste bag right there. The only difference is on the actual cover right here, you don't get the same lettering, I think designed by Dream. So it's clean. I like that. It's very clean and minimal, but it's subtle, so you don't really notice it, but it's there. So that's it, guys. That is a side-by-side comparison with the L60 Ultra and the L50 Ultra. I'm going to be doing a bunch of videos, so thank you for watching.